What is up, you guys? It's your girl Kent, and I am back with another video. If you are new, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And for all my old heads, of course, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick little tutorial on how to do this cute little bun. This is very beginner friendly and it's quick, super duper easy. So I just wanted to show you guys how to do just a simple little clean girl look, especially for my girlies that are trying to get into doing their hair more often and they're trying to become DIY queens. And they just need something quick, simple to do. This is the tutorial for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so I started off with freshly washed and blow dried hair. Now, I didn't do anything special, but because I'm doing like a sleek type of updo, it's just best for me to use blow dry hair. And I'm also going to straighten it because I needed to clip my ends, but it also just helps my hair to better stay in the ponytail, especially with the products that I use. So this is the start of the show. I'm using the Wavytalk Pro Steam Straightener brush. It comes with clips, the water nozzle, a glove, and also a scrunchie. And this is what the straightener brush looks like. Now, what makes the straightener brush very, very unique is that it uses steam to straighten your hair. So all you do is pop that off the back, take this water nozzle and put water in there, and then put it back on. So this is very natural girl friendly. It helps with not getting any type of heat damage or anything like that. I just really love the product. Like, I'm not going back to a flat iron ever. So sorry, girl. But I turned it on, and I normally put mine on 410, which is the highest setting. So that's just what I like to do. You can do anything lower. But I did put some Biosilk oil on my hair because I was trying to get my hair as straightened as possible because, like I said, I needed to clip my ends. So I wanted to see how much I needed to clip and this, that, and the third. So I just distributed that product all over my head. I like to part my hair into 4 sections. So I do a straight middle part all the way down, and then I go in and section into 2 more sections. That way it's just easier for me to go ahead and straighten my hair. I also do this when I blow dry my hair because it just makes it so much easier and it helps me to get an even straighter type of look. So this is all you do, girl. Like, literally, this is it. And this is in real time. You just take it and just go down your head. Like, it's like a brush, but it's not anything bad. Like, you know, you don't have to do a chase method with it if you don't want to, but it just gets my hair as straight as possible. And as you can see, those ends, girl, they needed to be clipped. So I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten my entire head. Once my hair is fully straightened, girl, and I did clip those ends off, this is what she looking like, girl, a mess. But I went ahead and started playing around with how I wanted my ponytail to look. I didn't know if I wanted to do high, low, middle, or what. So I just started combing everything to the back just to kind of play with it. I thought that this may be where I wanted it to be, but I was like, maybe not. So you're just going to see me kind of play around with where I want to put my ponytail so I can start molding my hair down. And this step is very, 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 very important because you don't want to like put your ponytail somewhere, then you start molding it down and you realize that you don't like it. So go ahead and like pre-see where you want to put your ponytail or where you want your bun to be, because once you get to doing that molding process, girl, that's it, that's all. Once I found where I wanted to put my ponytail, I go in with my wax stick. You can use whatever wax stick you want, but I found that using the wax stick actually helps me with the molding process a lot better than just strictly using Eben. Now, some people use beeswax, but I heard that beeswax is very, very hard to get out of your hair, so I don't play with that. Now, some people do use the wax stick and then go in with a hot comb, but I don't want to put no extra heat to my head because, girl, y'all saw what my head was looking like. No, ma'am. So once I get that all over my head, I go in with a regular comb and I just comb that back, and it just, like you can see, it's already kind of sleeking up from just using the wax stick. But I go in with my Ebin Lace bond glue, and that is pretty much that. Like, you can use Got To Be glue if you want to. I use the black can because the black can holds a lot stronger, like a lot stronger. So I just go ahead and distribute that all over the perimeter of the head. Don't worry about how the ponytail is looking, this and the third, because this is your sleeking process and this is how you're molding the hair. So it's not the final product, you guys. But I go in with a comb and I slick that back, because once you put that heat to it, it's going to start molding and it's going to get hard and it's going to stay. So while it's still kind of wet, you want to go ahead and start molding it to where you want it to hold at. And then I take a regular brush, a hard bristle brush, and I brush all that back too. Because even though you use the comb, you still want to go in with a brush just to smooth all of it out. But a comb really will be your best friend. Like, it'll help you get all them lumps and bumps out versus just using just the brush. So I use both because I find that my ponytails look a whole lot better when I use both. But once I get done sleeking all that up, then I'm finally ready to go in with my hot tool. I use just a regular blow dryer and I put mine on hot. Some people use the cool setting, but I use the hot setting, baby. I feel like the hot setting, it gets it where it needs to be. Okay. I went ahead and did my baby hairs before I started putting any extra hair in my head. Now, you can do those big dramatic baby hairs. Like, I've literally pulled my edges out just from wearing wigs so much over the last couple years. So I do small baby hairs because, yeah, anything else is going to actually be my hair, unfortunately. So I just do a little small swoop right there, and then I always do my sideburns because what's me without doing sideburns? Like, what, girl? But I just use, like, I think it's like some braiding gel that I be using because I find that it holds a lot better. So that's what I use. But I just take some regular braiding hair. The only reason I'm doing color is because I still have that color in my hair. I cannot wait till it grows out so I can go back to black. But I go back in and, like, readjust my ponytail, because now that everything's molded down, I can readjust it, make sure it's tight and everything, and get everything into that ponytail. And make sure that you pull the ponytail a little bit just to make sure that it's tight. And you see it's real tight because I couldn't even get my little fingers through there, girl. So I went ahead, pulled it to the tightness that I wanted it to be. Then I added a ponytail onto the hair. So that way when I'm installing it, because that's exactly what I'm doing right here. That's not just a second ponytail, y'all. That's actually the extended hair that I'm adding into my head. And I just add that on top of the ponytail. And you want to add that super duper tight on there. Once your ponytail is on, I flip it to the front and I start off 2-strand twisting just because I'm trying to hide my natural hair as much as possible. But then you just want to start twisting it. Now, this part, as far as the bun and how it looks, how big it is, how small it is, all of that depends on you. Really just play around with it until you find like the desired look. I didn't want anything too big, but I didn't want anything too small. So I just kind of played with it for a little bit until I found my desired look. So you're going to see me kind of like play around with it and do all this, that, and the third in the next couple of clips just to see how I like it. And then I always bobby pin the end of it. And I only use 2 bobby pins because that's all I had, girl. So, yeah, T. But I just played with it and bobby pinned it to my desired look. And you're going to see the final look at the end. But you're just going to see me kind of play around with it for a minute. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, this is the final look. Just a cute little sleek updo, something very cute, very classy, very girly, very demure, okay? It took me really no time to do. I was gonna originally do it with my natural hair, but y'all, I have cut my hair, okay? And she's like a bob. I couldn't put it in a bun. So I just added a little extra hair, and I only did this color because my hair still has that bleached color in it. It's not fully black yet. So once my hair gets back fully black, girl, we're going back to the black. But until then, I put a color that kind of color matched, because as you can see at the top, like, that's my real hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was very easy, quick, and simple. If you guys have any other video suggestions that you guys want to see, of course, always drop that down in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next freaking video.